Take a ride in the 2020 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, driver convenience group, four-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.